Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Learning Academy YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about how to write a first program in Java. For example, I want to print a hello world in Java. So this is the first program to print a hello world in Java. So class is a non-primitive data type in Java. What is the class name here? The class name is first program. Then open the curly brackets. Then we should write the main method in Java. Then what is the main method here? Public static void main. Then open the round brackets, string array of arguments and close the round brackets. Then what is public here? Public is an access specifier or access modifier. Then what is static? Static is a keyword. Then what is void? Void is a keyword and does not return any data type. Then main. Main is always Java program will start from main method. Then open the curly braces. Then we need to print a hello world using printing statement. That is nothing but a system dot out dot println. After printing statement, we should close the curly braces. And this is the first program in Java. After this, we need to execute a Java program. How to execute a Java program? In Java, we have two steps. First one is compilation, second one is interpretation. In compilation, we should write Java C space first program, that is nothing but a file name dot Java. For interpretation, we should write Java space first program, that is nothing but a file name. So here we got the output hello world, and this is the first program to print a hello world in Java. In this session, you have any doubts, you can comment. Thank you for watching and please subscribe our channel.